Good morning, happy Wednesday, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Toggle. And if you like these insights, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can check us out on toggle.global, where you can also sign up for our daily brief, test drive the Toggle Copilot, and many more things. Today's insight will actually focus on a well-known company called Restaurant Brands International, which is the owner of such famous restaurant chain as the Burger King, Tim Hortons, and also Popeyes. The analysis today is going to focus on a combination of reasonably technical patterns. So this is probably going to be more of interest to those of you who follow these indicators. In particular, there's a combination that has only happened on 12 similar occasions in the past of a very elevated MACD suggesting an emerging upward trend alongside relatively negatively stretched consecutive days move in KD stochastic. KD stochastic probably doesn't need any introduction, but the consecutive days move is a way Toggle tries to measure when a particular asset has been continuously moving in one direction or the other, and typically that precedes a snapback, as could be the case this time around. Again, the starting point here is at 58.47. The kind of targeted projection could reach all the way to 67.91, but the price action would fall outside of the scope of historical paradigm if it were to dip below 53.75. Looking down just through the history, you can see that actually these configurations have happened a number of times over the last 5 years, and the median gain over the following 3 to 6 months, although again, as usual, Toggle explored all the other horizons as well, is just over 11%, but in quite a large range between 3 and 20%. So potentially quite a bit more upside on that front. So much for the today's stock. In the daily brief, we also discuss the outlook for additional fiscal stimulus, and obviously the news that had been greeted quite happily by the equity market today of restarting discussions and some new proposals and ideas on the table. Thanks again for your attention, and if not before, we'll talk to you again tomorrow.